So the first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome. Schoology works best in Google Chrome. Then you can type in mnps.schoology.com. When you get there, you'll have a home page. Mine looks like this, yours may not, but it'll probably look something similar. At the top, there's a blue ribbon, and in that blue ribbon, there's a button that says Courses. You'll click on Courses to see your students' classes. These are what mine look like. I have slightly different ones because I'm a teacher, but your student will have something that says Eng, Lang, Arts, Lit. That's English, Language, Arts, and Literature. That's just reading class. Our reading class is this blue one here. The next one over for me is the red one that's homeroom. The next one is mathematics. It's purple. Next week, on the 17th, we're starting science and social studies. This is where your student will also be able to see their specials classes. Things like art, music, PE, computer will also be listed here. To find your student's agenda, it'll be in homeroom. This is week 2. So the week 2 agenda is here. When you click on the link, it should open right here in Schoology. This is our agenda for 3rd grade for week 2. From 8 o'clock to 8:45, we have morning meeting and reading Monday through Friday. From 8:15 to 8:45 this week, it's only 30 minutes. We have math Monday through Thursday, and that's the purple class. And then 2:30 to 3 o'clock in the afternoon are optional office hours. This row is red because they're in the red homeroom class. Office hours are for if a student has questions or if a student needs extra help. They are optional and students do not have to attend. To get to your students' reading assignments and for your student to get to their live class, they go to their reading or Eng, Lang, Arts. In my classes, the first thing on every page is the live link. When the student clicks on this live link, it will open Teams. Set your camera and microphone preferences and click Join Now. Students will be in the waiting room until the teacher lets them in. Students are expected to be on their live class from the time listed. The other things on Schoology are the students' assignments. These are materials we used in class today. This Things to Know and Navigation are assignments through Schoology for the students to complete. And this is a discussion that we did in class that was their homework for class today. For math class, you go back to Courses, select Mathematics. Again, the first thing that pops up is the student's live class. When you click on this link at 11:15, Teams will pop up and students will be able to join their live class. The other things listed on Schoology are their documents and assignments. Today we looked at these 4 pictures. We talked about what it means to be great at math. We watched a video about the importance of struggle. This is their discussion question about this poster. And then they have 2 assignments through Schoology to complete in math as well. Schoology is the main hub for everything you will need. The agenda for the week will always be in Schoology in the homeroom course. Live links to your students' classes, whether that is reading, math, specials, science, social studies, PLT, those will also be listed in Schoology. So assignments are listed in Schoology, links to Microsoft Teams for their live classes are also in Schoology. If you cannot find something, you may contact your student's teacher and we should be able to help you find what you're looking for.